what I saw when I looked at the renewable energy space in the UK is that tidal power was by far the most attractive for me because it was still a technology that was developing, and yet you could imagine that within 5 to 10 years you could have a lot of power deployed in the water. Well, the power that comes from the tide is determined by the amount of water that your device intercepts. So by building a device with blades which go horizontally through the water rather than vertically as like a windmill device would be, then you can access a lot more water. You can sweep a much bigger area of water. And that makes the depth, the power that we can generate, independent of the depth. So the device that we're building today will generate 1.2 megawatts and it will sit in 15 meters of water. In that water depth, the competing devices will be down at 200 to 300 kilowatts, which is about a quarter of the power that we're generating. So we have developed a device, we've deployed that device in the Humber estuary, and it proves that our technology concept works. What we have to do now is develop a commercial scale device, so a much larger one, 10 times the size of the one that we've built today. So around the UK, the studies indicate about 3 gigawatts of total capacity that could be deployed of tidal power plants. That's about 3,000 of the machines that we're making, and it's about 5% of the UK's electricity consumption. Worldwide, some of the most conservative estimates that we've been able to find suggest 40 gigawatts of worldwide capacity. So that's 40,000 machines of the type that we're building. For shipping, the device that we've built actually has much lower potential for impact compared to some of the competitors, because the device is designed to adopt a survival position where the blades move out of the flow on the approach of any object. So the next 12 months are all about designing our commercial scale product. So in 12 months' time we will finish the design of that product, then we'll manufacture it, and we'll install it and test it during 2012. In parallel with the engineering work, we also need to access the site, and so in 12 months' time we'll have the site secured and the permit applications in place.